20 fruits English name. Apple. Apple. I eat an apple every day. Banana. Banana. Bananas give quick energy. Mango. Mango. Mango is my favorite summer fruit. Orange. Orange. An orange is full of vitamin C. Grapes. Grapes. Grapes can be green or purple. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple tastes sweet and sour. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya is good for digestion. Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon keeps the body cool. Muskmelon. Muskmelon. Muskmelon smells very sweet. Guava. Guava. Guava has many small seeds. Strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberries are red and juicy. Cherry. Cherry. Cherries are small and sweet. Lychee. Lychee. Lychee has a hard outer skin. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds are red. Pear. Pear. A pear is soft and sweet. Peach. Peach. Peaches have soft skin. Kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C. Coconut. Coconut. Coconut water is very healthy. Plum. Plum. Plums can be sweet or sour. Blueberry. Blueberry. Blueberries are very healthy fruits. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.